Hi there, today we're going to make painted rock Tic Tac Toe. You'll need a cup of water to clean off your brushes, a variety of brushes, a variety of paint colors, whatever colors you like, doesn't matter how many, 10 smooth rocks, all similar size. The smoother, the better. And we'll need some paper towels to dry off those wet brushes. Let's get started. Now you can decide however you would like to paint your rocks, what colors you want to use, how many of the same color of X's, how many of the same color O's. Maybe you want them all different colors. Doesn't matter, totally up to you. Remember that some rocks are going to need to be painted many times if they're a darker color. So spend some time covering the rocks front, back, all sides to make for a nice colorful tic-tac-toe board. Now I've laid all my colors out on an X row and an O row, deciding which colors I'm going to use. I've got my black paint to draw on the X's and the O's. I always like to do the X's first, I find them easier. And don't worry if your X's or O's don't work out the first try. It easily wipes off, especially if you've got a baby wipe. Now I find O's much more challenging, so I practiced an O first with the paintbrush, just to sort of feel it out, and then I tried on my rock. Don't worry if they're not perfect. For me, crafts are about fun and knowing I made it myself instead of it being perfect. If you find painting on the X's and O's too hard, you can always use a Sharpie once the paint is completely dry. No problem. Now you might decide to challenge yourself by making a different kind of tic-tac-toe board. You could do bees and ladies bugs like I did here, or any kind of design you choose. I also found this cool flat rock that I built my grid on. When I saw this big flat rock outside, I thought it was perfect for a tic-tac-toe grid. All I did was get my black paint and my paintbrush, and I painted on the grid. Super simple. But you might not have a big flat rock, and that's okay. You can draw your tic-tac-toe grid on a piece of paper, or print one off the computer, or even use string to make one on the floor. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you for the next craft.